We are so excited to debut our new book vending machine. The machine is equipped with various types of slots, and the width of the slot can be adjusted freely according to the size of the book.
I'm sitting here in the boring room. It's just another rainy Sunday afternoon. I'm wasting my time, I got nothing to do. I'm hanging around, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder, I'm driving around in my car. I'm driving too fast, I'm driving
Supports books of all sizes and types.
Point of view, I feel so lonely.
The machine is equipped with 5 shelves of slots, and each slot can hold 15 books.
And I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky, and all that I can see is just a yellow lemon tree.
Slots can be customized.
Up and down, I'm sitting here, I miss.
Button purchase payment methods can be customized, such as reward coin purchases, etc. Customized services include spiral slots, reward coins, machine stickers, etc. The machine is suitable for placement in primary and secondary schools to improve students' interest in reading and build a good learning atmosphere. TCN book vending machines allow kids to get books anytime, anywhere. Let kids enjoy the fun of reading.